Let's turn to business news with Nona.
Hello.
Now, hi Nola. Canterbury-based dairy company Synlait Milk has reaffirmed its forecast milk payout of $6.50, holding the forecast steady. How and why?
Well, Fonterra reduced their forecast payout, that was in December, by 35 cents to $6.40. So you might have thought maybe Synlait would follow suit, but they have not, and partly because of, well, stronger global dairy prices overall. That's been generated somewhat by New Zealand's very hot, dry summer. Well, it's been dry, but it's also been rainy at times and not always at the right moment. So overall, the summer weather that we've had has had an impact on global dairy prices. It means that volumes are going to be down. So that's one of the reasons why they've held their price. That could change if commodity prices change or weaken somewhat. So they have to remain firm. Meanwhile, I spoke with the managing director of Synlait, John Pino, and this is what he had to say about the weather.
There's no secret that it's been pretty tough for farmers in a number of areas around New Zealand, and Canterbury's no different. We had a very, very hot period, long periods without any rain, and then quite a wet January, which is not necessarily a great combination for production. So I think that there's a few farmers finding it a little bit tough, but not as tough as other areas. And so the decreases in production that are coming out of some regions in New Zealand mean that the market's just a little concerned about the lack of supply from this part of the world for the coming quarter.
So that's the MD of Synlait, John Pino, talking to Nona before, and he was saying farmers are finding it tough. That's what Ian Telfer was saying. So we will look at that at some length tomorrow night. What happened on the markets generally today?
Well,
Nona?
so Synlait's share price actually fell a little bit, down nearly 2% today because of that higher input prices for Synlait. Higher prices for dairy farmers too, but remember the volumes will be down, so that's going to have an impact. So they were down. Overall, though, the index rose nearly 2%, 16 points. To 8,328, and the dollar is steady. That's despite all sorts of stuff going on regarding the U.S. dollar at 73.4 U.S. cents, 90.6 Australian, and 51.9 pence.
Nona Peltier, thank you.